this is Sagarika Mohanty. Welcome to statistics classes. Today we will discuss a new topic. This is method of central tendency. Here in this classes we will discuss all the practicals problem related to the arithmetic mean. Let's start our class. So basically the arithmetic mean is divided into three series. One is individual series, discrete series and continuous series. First we discuss about the problems related to the individual series. And all the series have three methods. One is direct method, shortcut method or assuming method, and the last is step deviation method. So we discuss this method in one example, that is first method is your direct method. And the formula is the mean equals to sigma x by n, or we can say that summation of x by n. So n is the number of observation and x is the number of items. So the formula is mean equals to summation of x by n. So x equals to the summation of all the items, that is your 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 and divided by the number of observation. Number of observation means we can say that the number of items, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then add all the items, that is 150 divided by 5 and the answer will be 30. So here the mean of direct method of the individual series is 30. Now we define the arithmetic mean under the step shortcut method. A shortcut method is also known as assumed mean method. The formula is a plus sigma d by n. Here d equals to deviation and the formula to find the d is x minus a. A is assumed mean. Now we calculate mean under the shortcut method or assumed method and we follow the same example. Here the x is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now find d. So d is x minus a. X equals to number of items minus a. A is your assumed mean. We take any number from these 5 numbers. Now we take 10. So the assumed mean a equals to 10. So 10 minus 10 equals to 0. 20 minus 10 equals to 10. 30 minus 10 equals to 20. 40 minus 10 equals to 30. And 50 minus 10 equals to 40. This is the formula is sigma d or the summation of d. Now we sum all the d items, that is 10 plus 20 equals to 30. 30 plus 30 60 and the summation will be 100. So that is the formula will be mean equals to a plus sigma d or summation of d by n. So a we take the assumed mean, that is 10 plus sigma d is 100 divided by n. N equals to number of items, that is 5. So 10 plus this is 20 and the answer will be 30. So one thing should be remember that when we choose any method and every method's answer will be same. The methods from the direct method, shortcut method and the step deviation method, the mean answer will be same. In our first direct method the mean is 30. Now in shortcut method the mean is also 30. Now we check this method through the step deviation method. So in the step deviation method, mean equals to a plus sigma d dash by n into c. So here the c is the class interval, we can say that, or a equals to assumed mean, d equals to deviation. That the answer will be the calculation of d equals to formula is x minus a. So here take the same example, that is x equals to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And now we calculate d, that is your x minus a, and we take the assumed mean, that is same any number. Now we take the calculate d dash. D dash equals to d by c. Here the d will be this. These are the d and c we can take which are divisible all the item, and here the one item is divisible by is 10. So now that means minus 10 by 10 equals to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we sum all the d dash, that is 1 minus 1 is cancelled, that is answer, the summation of d dash equals to 5. Now put the formula and get the answer of the mean. So mean equals to a plus, a is assume mean we take 20 plus summation of d dash equals to 5 divided by n equals to number of items, that is also 5, into c we take as a 10 which is divisible by all the items of d. So the answer will be 20 plus 5 cancel, this is 10, and the answer is 30. As like your direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method, the arithmetic mean answer is 30. Now we calculate arithmetic mean from the discrete series. Here is also 3 methods in discrete series, that is your direct method, shortcut method and step division method. So first we calculate under the direct method. So the mean equals to here sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma f equals to frequency which is given in your question, and sigma f is the summation of all the frequency. This is the question, and we take answer from all the 3 methods by follow this same question. So here x is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and frequency is 2, 4, 6, 3, 5. Now we calculate mean under the direct method. So the formula is sigma fx or the summation of fx. So now we calculate fx. This is the question. So fx equals to x into f. X equals to number of item and frequency. So 10 into 20 equals 10 into 2 equals to 20. 20 into 4. Just multiply all this. So 20 into 4 equals to 80. 3 into 6 equals to 180. 40 into 3 equals to 120, and 50 into 5 equals to 250. Now summation of fx, that means add all this number. This will be 280, 120, 400, 250. That's it. All the sum of fx is 450. Now put the formula. So mean equals to summation of fx by summation of f. So now we also add the frequency, that is 2 plus 4 equals to 6 plus 6 12, 15, and the frequency will be the summation of sigma f equals to 20. So here that is mean equals to 650 by 20. 0 0 cancel, and the answer will be 32.5. So the mean under the direct method is 32.5. Same, we will calculate the arithmetic mean from the shortcut method. So shortcut method, x equals to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and the frequency is 2, 4, 6, 3 and 5, and the sigma f is 20. So here we require d and arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is what? We take the any number from these 5, we take the number is 10. So 10 is your assume mean. A is your assume mean, and we take 10 as a assume mean. So 10, that means here we calculate d. D equals to x minus a, that is x minus 10. So 10 minus 10 equals to 0. This is 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now we calculate f d. So the summation of f d equals to first is 0, then 40, 120, 90 90 and 200, and the summation of FD equals to 160, 200, 360 and 90, that will be 450. Now we put the formula of the mean under the shortcut method or assume mean method. So mean equals to A plus sigma F divided sigma F. So A is your assume mean and we take N as the assume mean plus sigma FD is your 450 and sigma F is your 20. So 0 0 cancel and 10 plus 2, 22.5 and the answer will be 32.5. Under the step shortcut method, here in the direct method the answer is 32.5 and in the shortcut method the answer is same, that is 32.5. Now we just do under this shortcut method. So here the x is same, that is your 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Same question we will take and answer. 2, 4, 6, 3 and 5 is the frequency and sigma f is 20. D equals to, it is the assume mean and this is 10, 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40 and here we calculate D dash. So D dash equals to D by C. So D by C equals to, here C equals to class interval and we take which number is divisible all the item, that is 10. So that means D by 10 we can say that. So that means 0 by 10 equals to 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we calculate F D dash. So F D dash means we calculate this F into D, that is 2 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 4, 6 into 2, 12, 3 into 3, 9 and 5 into 4 equals to 20 and summation of F D dash equals to 16 plus 9 25 plus 20 is 45. Now we put the formula, that is mean equals to A plus sigma F D dash divided by sigma F into C. So A equals to assume mean and we take 10 as the assume mean, that is 10 plus sigma F D dash is this, that is 45 divided by sigma F is your 20 and C is the class interval and we take class interval as 10. Now we solve this. 10 plus 7, 22.5 and the answer will be 32.5 as like your direct method and shortcut method. So all this method the mean answer will be same.